So in this video, we're going to see a data structures 1 mark question from the year GATE 2015 and is based on the topic of in-order traversal of binary search tree. So let's read what the question is. Which of the following is our correct in-order travel sequence of binary search trees? So we are given 4 sequences of in-order traversal of a binary search tree, and out of these 4, few of them are correct and few of them are not. So we have to find out which one of them is correct sequence. And the options are 1 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, 2 only. Well, so before we move ahead, let's quickly see what is exactly the in-order traversal of a tree. Now consider this tree plus as the parent and A and B as its child. So what will be the in-order traversal of this simple tree? Is going to be A plus B. This is going to be the in-order traversal of the tree. Now the point to note is, first we will be visiting the left, okay, then we will be visiting the root, and then we will be visiting the right. Okay, this is how typically a in-order traversal works. Okay, so quickly to revise, in in-order traversal, first we visit to the left of the tree, then the root, and then to the right of the tree. So this is what is in-order traversal. Now a very important data that has been given in our question is that our tree is a binary search tree. Okay, so as we all know, in a binary search tree, everything to the left is less than the root and everything to the right is greater than the root. Everything to the left is greater than the root, everything to the left is less than the root, everything to the right is greater than the root. And this property is satisfied in every subtree of the binary tree. It is not just satisfied at this starting root. It is also satisfied to the left subtree, to the left subtree, to the left subtree. So everywhere this property is satisfied. Now, if you think about it, when we will do in-order traversal on a binary search tree, okay, let me take a different color. If we do an in-order traversal on a binary search tree, so this is my root, right? This is my root here. So first, as we know, that first we are going to visit the left. First we are going to visit the left of the root. So all the values that I get, okay, are going to be less than the root. Let's say my root is 100. So all the values that I get are going to be less than 100. Then I'm going to visit the root. So root will be 100. And then I'm going to visit to the right of the root. So everything from the right to the right of the root is going to be greater than 100. Right? So this entire in-order traversal of the tree is actually going to be a sorted list. Okay, just think about this statement. I'm going to repeat it again. Whenever we do an in-order traversal of a tree, of a binary search tree, not any tree, of a binary search tree, the output is going to be a sorted list. Because first we visit left, everything to the left is less, then we visit the root, so this is my root, and then we visit right, everything to the root, everything to the right is going to be greater than the root. So the entire in-order sequence is going to be a sorted list for a binary search tree only. Okay, so this is going to be sorted. Let me just write it down. This is the important point, that this is going to be sorted. Okay, now if the in-order traversal of a binary search tree is going to be sorted, then this property we are going to use to check into our options that are given to us. So as you can see here, we have 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4. So only the list that are sorted here are going to be a correct in-order traversals. So let's see option number 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 15, 19, 25. This looks like a sorted list, so this is valid. Let's look at option 2, 5, 8, 9, 12, 10. No, 12, 10, that is not a sorted list. So this is not a in-order traversal. Let's look at third option, 2, 7, 10, 8. No, again, 10, 8 is not a sorted, so cross. And finally 4, 6, 7, 9, 18, 20, 25. This is also a sorted list, sorted sequence. So this is also valid in-order traversal. So 1 and 4, these are valid answers. So 1 and 4 only, option A is our right answer.